Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing a bouquet of roses. So let's get started. To draw these beautiful roses, let's first start by drawing the wrapping. So I'm going to start right here and I'm basically going to draw a really wide curve. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make the top very wide. So we're just going to angle down. So I want to fill it with as many roses as I can. And we just want to come down, just round it off at the bottom. About right there, and then we're going to go up. Just want to make sure I'm at about the same level, approximately. There. Okay, so now that we've created this big curve, I'm going to come in here, right here, and we're going to bring a curve down. So I'm just going to go ahead and bring it down to say about right here and connect, and then come back to about right here and draw the other side, the top. There. So our paper is wrapped up, and then now we can fill it with roses, right? So the easiest way I've found to draw roses, so it looks like roses but without all the complicated layers, is I'm going to come right here, let's just say the center, and I'm just going to start. And I'm just going to twirl this ovalish shape at the top. And then I'm going to bring it down with this kind of U at the bottom of each of these ovals that I create. And then you can come right here and maybe just add like another curve. So it looks like a petal wrapped. And then I'm just going to fill this area. So let's say right next to this one at an angle, because I kind of want to add a curve about right here. Just do the same thing. Really hope you have fun with this and you create as many roses as you like in here. And maybe one more. Just try to fit one here. And once again, a little curve. So then we're going to add some more here. And same thing. And maybe one last one here. So I'm just gonna, so if you need your rose to be bigger, you just keep going with these twirls at the top. And just a simple curve at the bottom. There. Okay, so we have that. So then let's go and draw some more, like maybe another layer up here. So you can overlap. And maybe here. Just kind of stagger it a little bit so that it's not right on top of each other. And let's see here. Let's see, do we have enough? 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Maybe one here. And we need to put one here. There. So do we have 12? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh no, we have 11. Oh, I was hoping to make a dozen, but that's okay, right? We'll just leave it like that. I don't think anyone's going to count. So then from there, I'm just going to come in here and add like a little stem, since we're going to be able to see it. Here, wherever you can see a stem. And then from there, I'm just going to come in here and randomly just fill this area with leaves. So I'm trying to make it look random so that it's not, so that it doesn't look too stiff, I guess is the word. Just want to tuck it in here and there. So when you color it, you can just have it all green. Some leaves here and there, just some shapes so that we know it's leaves. Maybe some here, since we have some big spaces here. Other than that, you can just make it like wrapping that's going around. There. Okay, so we just want to fill it all in. And then from there, let's see, let's come back to the bottom in the center. So let's say about right here, I'm going to add this bow. So right underneath, I'm just going to draw this circle. And then we're going to add a nice little bow here. And then the tail of our bow, just bring it down. And then the paper area where the wrapping is bundled all together, just draw this angle line and then just kind of zigzag a little bit all the way across. And that is pretty much it for a regular bouquet, but it's Draw So Cute one, so we're gonna have to make it extra cute. So that'd be cute to make it, let's put a big circle right here for some Draw So Cute eyes. And then let's come across, and let's say about right here, I'm gonna add a winking eye. I haven't done that for a while, so I thought it's time to draw one winking. Just gonna thicken it up. And on this one, let's put in 2 small circles for highlights, and then a curved line at the bottom and a shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And then let's draw a curve above each eye. This one will be a little bit lower. And of course, let's give our bouquet here maybe like a kissy mouth. So right about here in the center, I'm just going to kind of draw this 3 right here for the lips. And then of course you can add a heart right here, right next to it, to make it extra sweet. There. And that is pretty much it for this new drawing of a bouquet of roses. I really hope you loved this one and that I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.